This is a hidden small camera. This spy cam can be used for housekeepers or a nanny, baby, pet, personal security, professional surveillance, body safety or action and drone use. Hidden mini camera boasts 1080p HD clarity, 12 MP photos, 140 degrees wide-angle lens, and night vision reaching 16 with 6 invisible LEDs. Motion detection recording is offering 60 minutes of battery run time. This device can turn on and record when it senses movement or record 24/7 when it's charging. This device easy to use. It can install a 32GB micro SD card in the hidden mini spy camera 1080p and let it loop record in a car, home, hotel, office, warehouse, or showroom. It can support SD cards from 2 to 32GB. This is a RC drone. It is 1080p FOV 120 degrees HD FPV camera. You can capture memorable moments with distortion-free and view images on your phone from the wide-angle lens. The app enables you to expand your creativity further and share it on social media with ease. When you focus on shooting images, you may set your hands off the joystick and the drone still suspend in mid-air with locked altitude. A perfect drone for beginners, kids, starters, or newbies to have an easy and stable flight experience. The pilot will feel easier to control, especially when the drone is out of sight, under headless mode while the orientation of the drone is in relation to the pilot. The drone are also equipped with 3D flips to make your day. Through the app, multiple functions, voice control, gestures control, trajectory flight and gravity sensor control can be activated. 2 batteries can support a 20 minutes flight, which makes it easy to replace battery and safe to charge battery.